Hi, my name is Esther, and I'm here to introduce you to the EvenSkyn Venus, a premium eyelid and anti-aging device that helps tighten and firm the eyelid skin. While the EvenSkyn Lumo is ideal for the face, the EvenSkyn Venus was specifically designed to treat the eye area skin that Lumo simply cannot treat, given its clinical grade power. The Venus rejuvenates all the skin around the eyes, contained within the eye socket, including the eyelids, and helps treat issues such as under eye bags and puffiness by deploying some of the effective built-in technologies such as thermal heating, LED light therapy, and sonic massaging. The results are diminished fine lines and wrinkles, reduced inflammation, induced swelling, and an overall improvement in dark circles and eye area skin texture. To accomplish eyelid skin rejuvenation, EvenSkyn Venus has two effective modes of operation: an active collagen activation mode, indicated when the red LED light is displayed, and a soothing nutrient uptake and skin firming mode, indicated by the blue LED light. The active collagen red light mode is the main anti-aging mode where you want to spend 80% of your total usage time. It is the main mode responsible for the activation of collagen and firming of skin. It is the mode you want to use first in your skincare routine, followed by the remainder of the time in the blue light soothing nutrient uptake mode. To familiarize yourself with the two modes once the device is turned on by pressing the power button, you may once again simply short press it again to switch from one mode to the next. This will be confirmed by seeing the LED light on the top of the metal head of the device turn from red to blue, and vice versa. Alternatively, a gentle flicking motion will also achieve the switching of modes. Let me show you how to use it. On a clean face, apply the desired anti-aging or nourishing eye cream to your eyelids initially. Remove the device cap and then hold down the power button for 2 to 3 seconds. Short press the power button to change mode and ensure that the top device head shows the red LED color, starting with the lower eyelids in the area below the tear duct. Hold the device head against the skin and gently glide the device across the lower eyelid. Repeat this motion a few times before doing the lower eyelid of the other eye, and subsequently move to do both upper eyelids. You want to ensure a sufficient number of passes in linear fashion, all the while ensuring you are very slowly moving across each eyelid and the surrounding eye skin. You could also hold the device in one spot for up to 10 seconds before moving to an adjacent area to continue stimulation. For complete coverage, when doing the area of the upper eyelids, glide the device away from the area above the glabella, around and above the eyebrow arches to the side of the head where the eyebrows, and essentially above the beginning and end of the whole of each eyebrow. You may then treat the lower eyelids to a gentle gliding motion that moves away from the nose bridge. If you wish to sense the vibration through sonic massaging, ensure you are touching this silver trim around the power button while using the device. This ensures conduction and makes sure the vibrations are continuous. However, if vibrations cause any discomfort, ensure you are holding the white parts of the device only and not make any skin contact with the silver trim around the power button. If your skin makes contact with the silver trim, vibrations will resume. The recommended usage duration for the EvenSkyn Venus is between 5 to 8 minutes in total for both eyes per session. The frequency of use of the EvenSkyn Venus is dictated by a user's age as well as other external factors affecting the severity and pace of aging. Individuals under the age of 40 or those with minor signs of aging may use the device on alternating days of the week and ideally limit usage to 3 to 4 times a week. Individuals over the age of 40 or those with noticeable signs of aging ought to use the device for a maximum of 5 times a week for 5 to 8 minutes per session. The remaining 2 days of the week are necessitated to allow for skin rejuvenation. If you are looking for an at-home device to treat eyelid wrinkles, puffy eyes, dark circles, and bags under your eyes, the Venus may be just the device for you.